So today I have something a little bit different. It's a handheld vacuum cleaner and it's called the UltraCleaner H2. It goes for 3,600 shillings from Oraimo's website, which is about $25. So let's see what we have here. A warranty card and a manual, which I'm going to use in this video. It's an unboxing video. I'll do a review video later. So here just looking at what the product looks like. That's a crevice tool to extend the reach of the vacuum cleaner. That's another extension which you can use to rub off any dirt and pick it up. And this is a brush to clean the filter. USB Type-C charging cable, and here's the actual vacuum cleaner itself. It looks really nice, feels premium. It's nice, just the right size. It's not too heavy and everything looks okay. That's the locking mechanism. This is the power button. Let's open it and see. Okay, I can have a test. I'll power it on. Oh, it's a bit loud but not too loud. So let me see how it charges. I recommend charging this for the first time before using. Don't do as I've done, so that your battery can last longer. I'm using the Oraimo power bank. You can watch my unboxing video right here. So let's see how that crevice tool fits. It looks really nice. You can use it for scrubbing off any dirt. So here I'm going to do a little test. I'll use rice. I don't know why you love to use that, but just for demonstration purposes, to see how the suction works. So here, as you can see, it's picking them up nice and slow. It's really nice. I don't know much about vacuum cleaners, but you can say this one looks okay, just for removing dust from the chairs, beds, and the occasional droppings on the floor and all that. Here I'm trying to remove the filter. It's tight, but it comes off quite cleanly, and you can empty the rubbish from there and clean the filter. You can even wash it with water. You can use it multiple times. You can check the manual to see how many times you can wash it. Now I'm returning it here. I'm holding the camera on one hand, so it's a bit difficult. I have to do it with one hand. And there we have it. It's the Oraimo UltraCleaner H2.